I am making a Southern Butter Pecan Bundt Cake. Oh, yum. All right, so instead of using a Southern Butter Pecan Cake mix, which I don't have, I am using butter, and I am adding my own pecans. So I've got my butter and my water, then my eggs, and I'm going to mix this all up. All right, oh, that looks delicious. And I got my pecans, and I'm going to stir those in and get all my mix down in there. And you don't have to flour it. This one's non-stick, but I think I'm just gonna put a little just to make sure. There we go. Okay. And if you are using a dark pan like this, make it 325 degrees instead of 350. And then you won't burn it because the dark pans hold the heat more. So put that in the oven. I'm gonna bake it. Oh, yum. All right, here is my cake. Oh my goodness, yum. Now, I take a knife and pull it away from the sides just to make sure it's all loose. Kind of pull and lift around the center too. Then, oh, yum. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh, that is perfection. Or like that. I think I'm gonna do this one like that. I would just leave it like this. But if you want, you can dust it with powdered sugar or frost it if you would like. I know all you Southerners out there have your own way of doing it, so you can do it however you want. Put your suggestions in there for toppings, but I'm gonna leave this one just like this. Yum. Okay, it is still really warm, but let's go ahead, give it a slice. Oh my goodness. Oh, yum. That looks delicious.